So how do you record audio on your Android phone but without the background noise? So let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So we don't really have that many options in terms of the apps to capture the audio, as they all pretty much do the same. So I would just stick with the built-in voice recorder. That's completely fine, right? You know, it's gonna capture the audio normally. And first of all, there are some things you can do to prevent any like background noise from being captured using a room, if you can, or environment which is quiet enough where you can work nicely and not have any background noise in there. That's something which you can definitely use, or utilize some microphones with the windshield like this one, which I used to make this tutorial. But once we max out these things, then we can only use something like this, the audio and video noise reducer and remover. So this is what you can get from the Play Store. It is freely available, and once you open up the app, you can start using the noise reducer. Bring in here either the audio file or video, like so. You can see that I enable the stuff that it needs from me, right? And it just kind of like plays or runs the audio recording through the app, and it will hopefully remove the noise for you. So you can kind of like play it around and see if it's good enough for you. You can also adjust the volume. You can play with the original, enhanced, or enhanced using another model, and you can play around with it a little bit more. But at the end of the day, you can save it, and then you should end up with a nice audio without the background noise. So that is something I would recommend you to try out. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future videos.